Easy steps to resolve Gmail error code 6922. Common causes of Gmail error code 6922. Slow internet connection. Viruses attack. Invalid authentication. Invalid server setting. Compatibility operating system issue. Methods to resolve Gmail error code 6922. Step 1. Update the browser. Firstly, users update the web browser to troubleshoot Gmail error 6922. After that, try to download the attachments. Step 2. Clear the browser caches. Some unwanted caches and cookies in your browser prevent you from downloading the email file attachments. After deleting the cookies, you can easily fix the Gmail error. Step 3. Disable browser extension. After updating the browser, disable browser extension. If issue still persists, then you should disable browser extension. Simply disable the browser extension and fix Gmail error code 6922. Step 4. Try another browser or device. If nothing works fine, access Gmail from another browser. It is advisable to access the email on some other browser. Step 5. This error also occurs when your internet connection is slow. To increase the speed of the internet, plug off and then plug in the router and then try to download the attachment file. Step 6. Reset your internet connection. Go to the control panel, open the network setting and then click on the network reset. After resetting the network, try to download the file. Dial email customer support number 1-888-726-3195 for resolving Gmail error instantly. If this issue still persists, then it is advisable to get in touch with the email customer support service provider. Here are the professional round-the-clock available to help you and resolve the issue in no less time.
Get in touch with us. Company name. Hotmail help desk number. Address. 568 54th Street, West New York, New Jersey 07093, USA. Website, www.hotmailhelpdesnumber.com. Toll-free number, 1-888-726-3195.